Good day everyone, this is Rosalie J. Bajo, your reporter for today. So my discussion for this report is all about poultry. So before anything else, what is a poultry? So based on my research, the word poultry comes from the French Norman word pule, itself derived from the Latin word pulus, which means small animals. Poultry are domesticated avian species that can be raised for eggs, meat, or feathers. When we talk about poultry, the first thing that would come up to our mind is a chicken, right? Yes, chicken is the most common in the poultry. Yet there are still other categories that belongs in the poultry, such as turkey, geese, ducks, and many more. So now let's talk about the mentioned categories of poultry. First is the chicken. Chickens are a medium-sized chunky birds with an upright stance and characterized by fleshy red combs and wattles on their heads. Males, known as cocks, are usually larger, more boldly colored, and have more exaggerated plumage than males or the hens. The chicken production, of course, the broiler production, the egg production, and a broiler breeder are the main categories that make up the dominant form of poultry production. So chickens is very common type in poultry farming, not just in local farming, but even in our own houses, we have a lot of chicken that we raised. So the next category is the turkey. So turkey are huge birds that are closely related to pheasants and guinea fowl. They are grazed on seeds, nuts, berries, grass, foliage, insect, lizard, and small snake while roosting in trees and foraging on the ground. So the picture on the screen is the broad-breast white turkey breed. This is the most widely used domesticated breed of turkey commercially. Turkey is the most very expensive when it comes on a dish. It is because turkey's meat has a nutritional and sensorial properties which make it most ideal to a raw material for rational and curative nutrition. So when we say rational and curative nutrition, it ensures our body with energy and it could help us to cure diseases. So the next category is the ducks. So ducks in particular have been domesticated to be exploited for their feathers, eggs, and meat. Since duck is classified as poultry, it's scientifically considered as a white meat. So duck or duckling is the meat of several species of bird in the family Anatidae. Found in both fresh and salt water, ducks is eaten in many cuisines around the world. It is a high-fat, high-protein meat rich in iron. Ducks can be raised for both meat and egg production. Selective breed has developed breeds of ducks. So, ducks is very excellent by the source and producing protein and iron that provides 50% of iron that could help our body to have energy to build and to repair our muscles. So the last category that I have mentioned is the geese. So geese are raised commercially for meat, feathers down, and froy grass. It is a delicacy made from the fatty livers of ducks or geese. Geese are among the fastest growing avian species among raised for meat. Goose meat is fatter than the other poultry meats but is well accepted by many local populations. So geese farming is the production, raising or keeping of geese like other domestic poultry birds such as chickens. Goose offer animal products such as meat, their feathers, their eggs, and their fats. So, nutritionally speaking, the skinless goose meat is similar to other poultry meat species, but it contains very high caloric fat and iron content than the other skinless chicken or turkey meat. But geese is a high nutritious product that is excellent in protein and iron. So now, what is a poultry production? So poultry production has many different sectors such as broilers breeding, layers breeding, and egg production, poultry feed production, hatchery, and poultry egg and meat processing. Information on broiler hybrids and the steps involved in harvesting good quality broilers and turkeys is available here. So this is the best time for harvesting. So a chicken, this typically occurs when the chickens are between 16 and 24 weeks of age. Now for the turkey, a hen usually takes 14 weeks and weighs 15.5 pounds when processed, but a tom takes roughly 18 weeks to reach a market weight of 38 pounds. Now for the geese, the ideal age for butchering a goose is anywhere between 9 and 20 weeks of age. And lastly, for the ducks, the best age to butcher of your ducks for ease of plucking is at 7 to 8 weeks old. So, what is the importance of poultry? So, poultry farming is defined as growing chickens, domestic birds of many kind for the objective of making money, production of meat, eggs, and their feathers. So, poultry is one of the biggest contributors in our nation. It helps us to consume the needs of everyone, especially in our country. So that is why it is important in our economy. So I think that would end my discussion. I hope everyone gained some lessons from my topic. Again, this is your reporter for today, Rosalie J. Bajo. Thank you and have a good day.